Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, wahala be like bicycle. Oh. These girls jogodo about 6 men at the same time. My people, oh, me I never see this kind of thing before for my life. Like seriously, this dey happen. Oh, how this girl take dey do am? Which power? Like, I guess something where they use that for a side body. Where be say only she sleep with 6 men at the same time. My people, this one not be saying a joke. If you not need the video, he dey with me. He dey with me. Una fit contact me, I will send and give una. This one loud. Jogodo 6 men at the same time. Like, how you take the do am, my sister? As in, something they work you. How? Which power? Like, hey, not be as your risk. So. Many people not the one will shock me. Many people they contact this girl now. Many people they contact and may tell them how they do am, the power, the energy, they want know. Say they get many girls wey see they do opio like they say they get interest on this job which they do. They want know how they do am because the thing really like they want am. You understand? Like the thing called they surprise me. Guess of nowadays, our set not be like this. So this ones wey dey now, they pass us. So this ones wey dey now they pass us. Like the thing say they surprise me how woman take sleep with 6 men at the same time. I never see this kind one before. Oh, not where we don't go see for this social media. This app where we dey, so not where we not go see. Oh, things they happen. 6 men. You know, go let me put for YouTube because if I put on YouTube, you all banned me forever. So anybody will need them, if you contact me, I will send and give them. You understand? I will send. You see, they surprise me. Wow, girl, go take Jogodo 6 men at the same time. My people, I don't say many men and all those kind of girls. More than not surprised, oh, girls, women. All those kind of girls, so now they see us marry. They go see better man marry tomorrow. People go even to show them, I go say that he pass. More than, when I remember that our sister Ekia Queen with Jogodo man in the video, even different men, if you get side where she they go, they put on, but the sister man we see put on for us. More than not surprised. This kind of girl will still see us marry. He go still see us marry. Now you go come they say, my brother, you not see the video. You not see the video. No, I come they talk that time. That time we don't let you understand. So shit happens anyway. But this one shocked me. It shocked me. When I need to see the video. Anybody wey need that, when I feel contact me. I will send and give una because the TC they like they surprise me. Say since they happen for this world. Oh, they say what you never see, you never will carry there. If you see some, you go open mouth. Wow, mouth not go close again. Gist lover. Now let God not be you for the see all those things. So, because the TC they like they shocktalize everybody. They shocktalize everybody. You know. So make I put on make una see. I want to be share the video. Let this video go viral. Bye.
Yole Doche, thank you very much. May the Almighty God that you believe in bless you and prosper you and make you shine. You know I'm praying this prayer for you, sir. You leave your ex-wife and she blossomed so well. And many people probably insult you and drag you. I don't. I love you, not only because of that, but because I think you're a great man. And she's who she is today is because of who you are. Somebody shout glory. Because do you know that we have so many women who don't divorce? They were actually Messi Agbe, right? She was brought into the marriage according to social media, allegedly. Let me use that. I don't like using, but allegedly. The other woman, she's fine. Nothing happened to her. Even if sometimes she posts and tell her husband, no talk to me, no come for me. No, well, you know, we're not paying attention to her. Even if she's an actress, now go enter the marriage. I don't know if you're getting me. Mele Doche is where she is because of Yole Doche. Hey, somebody. Una not go like this video. I mean, I said, beneath blood right be. Oh, apart for me to please you. Why? Because Yul Edochie is Peter Edochie's son. Give glory to whom glory is due. Yul Edochie, I'm a Benin woman. I've always yash for you. But you know what? I don't marry. I for say Baba Miosiba. You know it to be Miosiba for Benin. We bend down and you touch our waist. But as I don't marry, now only my pa go fit to and my husband. Say, Daddy, Miosiba, my pa will touch me for you. But my husband feel actually choke her for my matter. I appreciate you. You're wonderful. People might make you want to seem like you're the bad guy. You're actually the star of the show. You're the star of the show. I think you should be proud of yourself, sir. You're absolutely amazing. Not just because I love you, because I think you're a great man. And I hope you channel that energy towards yourself now and your new wife. And please keep in touch with your children. It's really important, no matter what. Do everything possible to share that greatness with your kids. You're a great man. Absolutely amazing. Stunning. Who's going to divorce me so I can blossom? Love! Are you going to do it? Oh, I think it's for the... So because of say I marry, you feel say I no feel look another man way fine swallow spit. You dey craze. Now God ain't go punish you. So because I marry, my DNA changed, my blood changed to blue. Is it? Because I marry, I not get feelings anymore. Because I marry, they drill everything with them, my body replace them with married one. There's something fundamentally wrong with you. Then you dey craze. I'm still that person. We go see fine man go be like, I'm still that person. You have to accept the fact that you be human being. Many of you think you are some type of spiritual being. The moment you pray over some certain things, it just go away. You're a human. Your body is a house. You know what controls this body? Discipline. You get me? You are not an automated thing where be say, once you marry, boom, you don't feel imagine things anymore. They don't fix it. You think I'm a dumbass the moment I get married? There's something wrong with you there. Now make you the wallow for that your mummuness and you think you are faithful, you are righteous than everybody else. Whereas now you be wishful suppose use bunte beats come up for this community and society. I accept the fact that I'm a human. The only thing where they hold me in self-discipline, that's it. Nothing to do with marriage. Because a lot of people they marry, they do yeah things, eh? Now, discipline I separate we both. And the fact say I accept say I be human, it helps my discipline process. Yes. When you think you are a super person, you commit sin, you have to go and pray over it. I don't need to pray. I take responsibility for my actions because I know I'm human and I have the ability to control and ability to intentionally do something or to hurt another person. Do you understand what I mean? Or you think you're a spiritual being. That's why you can do whatever you think you go and pray and somebody up there will forgive you. I am a human. Whatever I do, I take responsibility. You hear me now? I still have feelings. My toto still tickles when I hear or see some things. Just the same way I like two men to the banger. That thing for the look at it, they make me want to run enter bush. You see, because I be human being. I accept the fact say I decrease. That's it. You know accept say you decrease. That's why when you do bad, you won't go pray. It's not me, it's the devil. No, na me do one. You feel me? Now self-control now the old people. Nothing to do with your, oh, you should not do, why you do, you're married. Oh, come on, get us. Because you be animal, you be robot. You're a human, accept it. It helps your process of discipline yourself. Where worry you dey crazy, you drink alcohol. I been a petrol now you drink. Wait till you dey crazy. That one I waited all they tell you're a human. They say because you're married, why are you looking at him? I go look.